So what I wanted to do here, guys, is I like to let the radios speak for themselves. Guys, this is a dumpster find. So I'm going to tell you a little bit of the background on it. So it was found at a radio shop to where the guys, I don't know, I guess a couple of different technicians said it was junk and scrap. Well, that's because they didn't take the time to go through the radio. All the bias plots, everything was just twisted, broke, turned down. The coils were all stretched. It absolutely had no voltage to the audio IC because all the harnesses were pulled apart. It was someone had been jerking parts off of it and using it. All the knobs were off of it. The freak counter didn't work. The LEDs in the front absolutely didn't work. It wouldn't transmit or receive. Anyways, a local had gave it to me and said, you can have it. It's part whatever. Anyway, it's a dumpster found. It was found in a dumpster or in a bin at a radio place. Needless to say, he brought it over here. I spent 6 hours on it, guys, and it's one of the best receiving. Well, and I'm going to be honest with you, it don't transmit too duck shook and bad either. It makes some serious average power for. Of course, I've done a whole lot to it. Completely changed values all the way around the driver and the final section. Redid the whole RF section. Put all the 54 megahertz trap back to where it's right. Put the limiters back in it. Put the radio where it's right. You're actually going to see my tune with the limiter in. You're going to see the limiter work, and this thing still produced average power that will drop your jaw. Guys, that's all done from playing with values, knowing how to modify the circuit. The circuit absolutely stays cool. But most of all, the receiver, guys. This radio is known for not being very good on receive. It's known for being all over the place. It's like a rock. Absolutely like a rock. Listen to this receiver. Pay attention to how the receiver's working is what I want you. Now we're on the flat side. We're on my quad. And we're looking straight east, a little northeast. And we're on 28. Let's go down here and get in some business so you can see the receiver work. We're on the Super Bowl. Right now, no one's keyed. Oh, look at that. Pay attention to the receiver work. Highly modified receiver. Listen to it work. It don't overload. It performs. For Galaxy circuitry, y'all know the boards. Listen at this thing perform.
Good. Have a safe week up there in the Buckeye. Take care. We'll catch you next time we can. Dear Slayer, Lake Okeechobee, Florida, back on the map.
That's 9-pound hammer, custom built 2547, guys. We're going to play around with the receiver now. Got a little bit of a mod here. Wait for old Deer Slayer to come back in. Once again, we're going to go all the way low with the receiver. Now we're going to come out of the low and go to the high. Now what this is 1,000 hertz audio shift. Listen to that thing. Now that's more like Deer Slayer's natural voice. Also, it has a controlled clarifier, so you can work the clarifier and play 1,000 hertz each way to get fine-tune your AM if you want. It is active on AM. That's why you see it. Listen to that radio. That's a 2547. Sounding like that, guys. Let you see that we are active. There's no bullshit.
Have a good day, buddy. You're moving in like always down this way. Take care.
Listen to that quad. Vertical. Wait till he comes back up. This antenna's. Look at that. Come up 5 dB. Once again, true average power meter. Oh, very 10 average. Absolutely bend the needle off. Or we can crank her back. This is true control carrier. Controlled output. Watch this. Oh. 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 So we don't want a lot of output. Now we want to give it some output. This is true average power, guys. Oh my. Now say we just want to absolutely pin it. Oh, 111 worldwide. Yeah, 9-pound hammer built. Now we're dead kit. Now we'll turn it all the way down in dead kit. Now we'll turn it all the way up in dead kit. Oh, that's right. 9-pound hammer built. Input reflect. 1111111 worldwide. Antenna reflect. Oh, worldwide. True average forward. Oh, worldwide. 9-pound hammer built.